Booger. It's your first snow.
I don't know about all this.
Walk in it.
Come on, boy.
There
you go. Oh boy.
You like it?
Yeah. It'd be better if it was a little deeper.
Yeah.
But yeah, he kinda likes it. Come on, Doodlish. Let's go. You can't jump up there. I know you're thinking about it.
Kind of deep right there.
Mm-hmm. He wants to jump on top of the
Is it cold to your foot, sis?
He said, yeah. He said, I got fuzzy feet.
Where you go?
You ready to go back in? You ready to go back inside?
No.
Gotta let the girls have their turn.
They're in the window like, what? Get away, it ain't it? Here's a bird. Papa can't squeeze through there, Booger. He's going. He said, I'm going back where you can't get me. First time seeing snow, Kiki.
She said, I think I'm glad I'm an indoor cat. She said, this mess is cold.
Come on.
Go. Go
Come
get
on.
under.
Come on.
Come on. Go get in the snow.
Come on, Kiki. She's trying to eat the grass. Quit grazing and come on.
She's like, man. Man, this is the real deal. This is cold. So I'm an indoor cat. Jingle bell, jingle bell.
Quit trying to eat the grass and let's play.
She's a grazer. Good Lord, Kiki. They're small flakes, but they're picking up.
Mm-hmm.
You ready to go in? Come on.
Just wait a minute.
Come on, you go inside? I gotta graze. Look at him too.
Mm-hmm.
Sophie, I wonder what you're gonna do. Kiki, you just want to graze.
Look at her walking on the part where there ain't no snow.
I ain't getting in that frozen stuff.
Pick her up and put her over there in that.
Come on, let's get in some real snow. She's like, oh no, don't do it.
She don't care. She's still trying to eat.
Kiki, that harness looks about 2 sizes too small.
Come here, Kiki. Come here. Come here, girl.
Thorns over there now.
She's holding that foot up like, oh, Lord.
Sophie?
She said, oh, God, it's wet. It's cold and it's wet. You don't like it? It's wet, ain't it, darling?
She said, I don't like it.
They're cold and wet. She said, why y'all put me out here? I don't want to do it.
Sebastian, he just run around out here.
He's having a fit to come back out.
So he said, if y'all got enough footage, because I really want to go back inside.
Sophie!
You ready to go back inside, baby?
You want to go back in?
Come on, let's go in the house. Come on. Come on, let's go in. Come on. She said, I ain't walking.
She said, I ain't moving. My feet just cold and
You gotta
wet.
pick me up the toe. Okay, baby. I'll get you back.
Russell's having to clean the windshields because it's possible he's got to drive all the way to Beach Island. For work. We got a good 3 inches. But the road is, it looks like snow, but it's not. It's a layer of ice.
All the little areas that melted slightly have all frozen over.
Yeah, this is nothing but pure ice underneath that. Sliding.
Yep. All this is ice.
Uh-huh.
That's what it's gonna do. It's going down.
It's pretty.
It's beautiful. Now, if we just had a creek running along here, I'd almost feel like I was in Tennessee.
Yeah. I knew he'd like it.
You hopping? Thank Bubba. What's up, Bubba?
He's a whale.
I see a bird.
He's chattering at the birds.
It's on my paw.
Is your footsies cold?
Yeah, my back paw's kind of sensitive. He said, but other than that.